Hi guys, so today I'll be showing you how I braid my own hair and also how I achieved this clean box braid. So I started by preparing my extension and then I moved to making a straight line across my hair. The key to having a perfect line is to have one mirror in front of you and another mirror behind you. So if you have a good gel, you can add that to your lines for a sleek feel, So take a section of your hair and divide it into 3 equal parts. Now start with your right hand crossing over to grab the piece on the left, and then the left hand also crossing over to grab the piece on the right. And then keep repeating this process. So some people will naturally start with their left hand crossing over to the right, and that's perfectly fine too. The trick to having a neat braid, especially when you're making it by yourself, is to drag your hair. Because at the end of the day, you might not really get the really tight feel like you think. So really hold your hair very tight so that it's neat. So I added half of the extension to my right strand hair and then the other part to the middle strand hair. I hope you get what I mean. And this is how you keep repeating the process for all the extensions you will add. You could add like 4 to 5 depending on how thick you want it. Next, part a line above the first row, making sure it sits right in the middle of the box from the row before. Keep repeating this process for the rest of the lines. And that's how you achieve this box braid. This is just me goofing around, my happy moments. And now this is the finished look. I love this hair so much. It's my go-to anytime, any day. Alright guys, thanks for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!